How to take panorama photos on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to capture like this wide photos from your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's how we can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's not to capture panorama photos, simply go and open up the camera application from your Samsung phone, and from the camera homepage go ahead and tap on more option right here, and once you're here inside the more, you'll get to see the panorama option. You can actually tap on these and this is going to give you the option to capture the panorama photos. All you have to do is just need to tap on this captured button and move your phone from where you exactly want these wide photos. And once you do it like this, and once you are done with the position, you can tap on this capture button once again, and those area will be covered and take the wide photos by your Samsung Galaxy camera. And this is how you actually can take panorama photos on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.